Formbricks charges you for every response. Typeform charges you for every response. Both make you pay for the data your users give them. Formbricks is open source. 7,453 stars on GitHub. You run it on your server. Responses stay in your database. Typeform costs $99 a month for 1,000 responses. Formbricks costs $0.00. Typeform gives you a polished web form. Formbricks gives you the entire source code, a PostgreSQL database, and the freedom to run surveys on your own server. One company sells you a subscription. The other gives you a GitHub repo with 12,393 stars and a MIT license. You need Docker and a domain, one command, docker compose upd, that is all. The repo at github.com/formbricks/formbricks is a Next.js application. Inside the Docker Compose, you see two services, one for the app, one for PostgreSQL. Pull the image, set environment variables for your SMTP server and encryption secret. Run the command. Your browser loads a clean survey builder. No credit card, no trial period, no enterprise tier hiding the real features. Formbricks replaces Qualtrics. Qualtrics is the survey tool universities and enterprises use. It costs thousands per year. Formbricks does the same job for a VPS that costs $5 a month. Open the builder, you create a survey. Add questions, multiple choice, rating scales, open text. Drag to reorder, set logic jumps. That is not a premium add-on, that is the base product. The tech stack matters. TypeScript and Next.js mean the front end is server-side rendered. Fast page loads, no jQuery mess. Prisma maps your survey schema to PostgreSQL. You get real relational data, no vendor lock-in. You can embed surveys as a pop-up or a full page. The SDK for React, Vue, and plain JavaScript gives you in-app surveys. Trigger them based on user actions. Qualtrics charges extra for that. Formbricks includes it. The data exports to CSV and JSON. Your database is your database. You query it directly. You connect Tableau or Metabase. You own every row. What is good? The product is stable. The UI is clean. The community is active. Pull requests merge weekly. The maintainers answer questions in the Discord. What is missing? No native role-based access control. You need one admin for the whole instance. No multi-tenant isolation. If you run surveys for different clients, they see each other's data unless you build a separation layer. No A/B testing of surveys built in. Typeform offers that at a higher tier, Formbricks does not. No native webhook support for real-time responses. You must poll the database or write a custom worker. The documentation is good but thin on advanced integrations. The upgrade path: clone the repo, run the migration, change the config. You stay on the same codebase. No sudden price jump. Open source is not a demo, it is the real product. Star the repo, fork it, deploy it. Subscribe to Open Sourcery, comment your next tool request below.